Hello viewers, welcome once again to Rising Sun Online Math class. If your first time to watch my video, kindly hit on the red button to subscribe to my channel so that you'll be seeing a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. So we have been discussing on quadratic equation by using the methods to solve a quadratic equation, and we have finished with the factorization method, completing the square and the Carlos formula method. And today we want to use graphical method to find the root of the equation. And here the question now says copy and complete the table of value for the relation y equals to x squared minus x minus 6 for x ranges from -3 to +4. And they have also given us the value of x from -3 to 4. And second question says, using your graph, find the root of the equation y equals to x squared minus x minus 6. And the last question says, find the minimum value of y. And today we want to only concentrate on how to form or find the table of value. So in my next video, I will now teach you how to plot the graph, because I'm going to take in these topics gradually. We're not going to combine everything together. So today we want to teach how to make the table of value. So my next video will talk about how to plot the graph, and after the graph, from there we can find other necessary questions. So let's proceed. So here it says copy and complete the table of value. So now the first thing you need to do now is you rewrite the question. This is y as equals to x squared minus x minus 6. Say x ranges from -3 to +4. So for you to arrange the table of value, you draw something like table. Then you draw it like this. Don't mind my hand. So the first thing there is x, and they have already given the values of x and say that x ranges from -3. That will say that here you write -3 from the first row, -3, -2, -1, and after -1 you have 0, and after 0 you have +1. After 1 you have +2. After 2 you have +3. After 3 the next thing is 4. You stop, because the question now says that x ranges from -3 to +4. You stop at +4. So the next thing you need to do now, you consider the question and say that x squared is equals to this. So here now is x squared. So you write your x squared. The x squared now means the value multiplied by itself. And you find out that the value of x here now is -3. Since the value of x here is -3, that will say that this -3 is going to multiply by x, which is -3 times -3. And the -3 times this minus cancel minus, 3 times 3 give us 9. Or you say that -3 squared. And whenever you squared a negative, it becomes positive. So now let's go direct to the question. Now we have here as +9, because here is -3 squared, which is +9. So here is -2 squared, we have it as +4. Here is -1 squared, have it as +1. Here is 0 squared is 0, and 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, and 3 squared is 9, and 4 squared is 16, which is 4 times 4. We have finished with the squared of x, which is the first row. So the second row here now comes with minus x. And you bear in mind that the coefficients of x here now is 1. There is no way you can write -1x. No, you now write minus x. And you know that the coefficient of x here is 1. There is 1 inside this x. So what you need to do now is use this 1 here and multiply the value of x. So here now is -1. This -1 now times -3. will give me positive 3, which is minus 1 times minus 3. Minus will cancel minus. 1 times 3 will give me 3. So again, this minus 1 times minus 2 will give me positive 2. Minus 1 times minus 1 will give me positive 1. Minus 1 times 0 will give me 0 because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Minus 1 times positive 1 will give me negative 1, which is minus 1 times 1 will give me minus 1. So minus 1 here times positive 2 will give me negative 2. Minus 1 times positive 3 will give me negative 3. Minus 1 times positive 4 will give me negative 4. I have done with x. What next is minus 6. And this minus 6 now is constant. You bring it down, which is minus 6. So because of here now is constant, all of them you're going to have at minus 6. Minus 6. Minus 6. Here is minus 6. All. So the next thing now is y. For us to find the value of y. And we say that y is equals to this. That will say that all the summation of x squared minus x minus 6, whatever you got from here is equal to y. So here now, you start from the column or the row of x squared, which is 9. 9 plus 3 will gives me 12. And 12 minus 6 gives me 6. Here for the value of y here now is 6. So in my second row, here is 4. 4 plus 2 gives me 6. And 6 minus 6, I have here 0. Here is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 2 minus 6 gives me minus 4. Here is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 minus 6 gives me minus 6. Here is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Again, I have 4, positive 4. 4 minus 2 will give me 2. And the 2 minus 6 will give me minus 4. Here is time. 9 minus 3 will give me minus 6. And minus 6 minus 6, 9 minus 3 will give me 6. And 6 minus 6 gives me 0. And lastly, here is 16. 16 minus 4 gives me 12. And the 12 minus 6 gives me 6. So these are the values of y. So in my next video, we are going to use these values and construct the graph. So from the graph, we are going to find the remaining questions, the root of the equation, and the minimum value of y. So thank you for watching, and may God bless you.